Trying to pick between AT&T Fiber and Spectrum for your internet? You're not alone. Today, we're breaking down speed, pricing, reliability, and overall value so you can decide which one is actually better. So let's get into it. AT&T Fiber offers symmetrical speeds, meaning upload and download are equally fast, great for Zoom calls, Twitch streams, and large uploads. Spectrum download speeds are fast, up to 1 Gbps, but uploads are way slower, usually capped at 35 Mbps. If upload speed matters to you, AT&T wins. Next is the pricing. AT&T Fiber starts at around $55 a month for 300 Mbps with no contracts and no data caps. Spectrum's similar speeds start around $50 to $60 a month but may increase after the first year, and they still have optional data caps in some areas. Both start cheap, but AT&T is more transparent. Spectrum can stick in fees and hikes after 12 months. Now, availability. AT&T Fiber is expanding, but it's still limited in many rural and suburban areas. Spectrum, being cable-based, is more widely available and easier to set up in existing homes. If you're in a fiber zone, AT&T is the better tech. But if not, Spectrum's your more accessible option. So here are the pros and cons. First are AT&T Fiber Pros. First are symmetrical speeds, no contracts or data caps, and lower latency. Next are Spectrum Pros. First is wider availability, fast downloads, and easy to install. So, which is better? If you can get AT&T Fiber, take it. It's faster, fairer, and future-proof. But if you can't, Spectrum is still a solid runner-up. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!